Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So, I got one of the mega mystery bundles from Angela Walters, Quilting Is My Therapy. I had taken one of her, like, learn how to do feather, classes and stuff. And I don't know if it was all of her people that got it or just ones that, excuse me, took that class. Anyway, it was $99, I think, or right at $100, a little over with tax. And in it, you were supposed to get 10 fat quarters, 10 yards of fabric ranging from 4 inches up to 36 inches, and 5 spools of glide thread, and 1 pound of Angela Walters fabric. So, as you can see, here are the thread colors that I received. And this is beautiful, kind of a gunmetal gray, a lighter gray. And this is kind of a rosy brown color. It's absolutely beautiful. And then a more kind of, I don't know what you would call this, apricot blush and latte, lighter. And I've done some embroidery with some glide thread, so I know this is good stuff. And there was a bag that had an AW on it, and this is the Angela Walters fabric that I received. So, as you can see, I don't know if it's got it on here, designed by Angela Walters. All of this was in that one. This is, whoops, sorry, uh, wait a minute. This right here is almost a full yard cut. I thought that this was like a half yard. This is nice. I got actually more of that than I thought. Cool. I'm going to have to measure these because I thought some of these were like half yards. And they may not be. Like this one. This one's half a yard. So not all of them are a yard. There's some half yards in here. But this is one too, and I like this. I love florals. And this, I could see maybe using this as a binding or sashing between blocks. And this is beautiful. It's kind of a tealish color with a light pink and more of a dusty rose, I guess you would call that. I don't know true names of colors, and you would think since I used to digitize all the time that I would know them, but I don't. And then this, it coordinates so well with that. I love this color of pink, and I want to say that's kind of a mauve-y. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so these are all of my Angela Walter fabrics, okay? Walters, sorry. And next was supposed to be the 10 yards of 4-inch to 1 yard cuts. And my bag, I only had 10 pieces of fabric. So it looks like they are all 1 yard cuts. And this is grunge right here, which is good. I'm glad I got it because I'm trying to build more of a grunge type, a lot of blenders in. Let's see who this is. This is a motive fabric. So we know it's nice. Main Street. This is inked by Angela Walters. So this is more Angela Walters fabric. I love these little hearts. Oh my goodness. This is probably Angela Walters too. This is a little bit darker. But let's see. Yes, it's inked by Angela Walters. There's a yard of it. Who is this? This is Stroll by Angela Walters. So I'm seeing a lot of coordinating stuff across all of this, actually. And I love this. This almost looks Art Deco-ish to me. Who is this? Andover Fabrics, right here. Nice. Let's see. It would be the other end. Or it's this way. Riley Blake Designs. Butterfly Blossom. This is pretty fabric. This is inked by Angela Walters. Love that. Makes me wonder if these next two are Angela Walters too. I love gray and pink together, and that may not look like what this is, but it is a light pink and a gray. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's one of my favorite fabric combinations. Now this is Andover again. Get this folded back up. Give me a second. And then this is the last 1 yard piece of fabric. Let's see if we can quickly find out who it is. This is another Andover piece. No, Joann's. And it was about this was the same price as what I paid, give or take a few pennies from the Missouri Star. So these are my 10 fat quarters. So I'm not going to try to, well, maybe I will see if I can find out who they're from. This one doesn't seem to have it. Yeah, I'm not going to worry. They're all nice quality. I like that. That's got that pink in there. And this is kind of like a creamy with beige and just a nice blender. I like that. I like this green. I think it's pretty. The little dots, it reads as a solid to me, which I need stuff like that all the time. And this is kind of it's a green on green. Just trying to define more what this is. It almost kind of looks like a goldy green to my old eyes, but it's pretty. I like it. Now, this one, I love, 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 love this fabric. And she is still selling this on her website. There's not enough here for me to tell who it's from, so. But it's pretty fabric. And then this one just kind of looks Zentangle-ish almost. And here's a coordinating one for them. I like that. This one reminds me of that. And then I absolutely adore this raspberry and gold. I made a raspberry gold and black quilt earlier. It was last year, I think. Anyway, I love these combinations too. And I mean, that is what I got in my Angela Walters Mega Mystery Bundle. I saw she still has some right now. Price is different. I don't know if it fluctuates all the time like Missouri Stars does. But If you want me to do a comparison video where I bring them down and put them side by side, I will. Um, but I am extremely, extremely happy with this. Talk to you later. Bye.